It's like when someone says to you, I need to fart, I need to fart, I need to fart.
I can't wait to see what illusion you've come up with for us. One of those romantic boy meets girl, boy loses girl stories?
It's better than that.
Good morning, guys. Me and Hannah are like just chilling out on a Sunday afternoon. What time is it? Oh, it's 10 to 12. It's not the afternoon, it's the morning. I'm not sure what we're doing today. I know Hannah's got a driving lesson, haven't you? At 3ish. And yeah, we've had like a really relaxing morning. Well, 2 days in we, because obviously on Friday the last vlog I uploaded was the iPhone 10 launch, which Hannah's on. Look at a new case she bought as well. She bought a pink one. She also bought me one. She bought me a white one. Which too? Oh, it's down on charge. But yeah, she bought me a white one for my birthday. Early present. So yeah, but we're just like chilling out, and I'm in 2 lazy days obviously, because like I said, the overnight for the iPhone was just really long, and it took us a while to get over it, let's just say. So yeah.
Still not over it.
You're still not over it? I'm not too bad, but kind of want to go out for a walk today though. You up for a walk, Han? Just like a 20-minute stroll, bit of fresh air. We could walk, even if it's just up to the park and then back down the main road. I think it's good for us to get out, fresh air into our lungs and stuff. I'm going to try and film a little bit for Tech Maestro as well, although the weather is really bad, so I'm not sure, because I need to film B-roll shots. But other than that, that's the plan. Here's my case I was on about this morning. I love it. Cheers, Han. Here it is, naked. The iPhone 10. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo! So me and Hannah have come out for a autumn walk, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very autumnal today. And yeah, I've got my tripod with me. We're going to film some overlays for Tech Maestro. Last night the weather was really nice today. Blue sky. And we're just out and about. Hannah actually said it's really nice to be out in there. Because obviously we've been stuck here for the last 2 days. Good to get out, I suppose. But look at the leaves. They're all like yellowy. Well, yeah, they're like yellowy orange. All these. Quite surprised actually that these leaves haven't fell. Because there'd be more leaves on the floor usually. Well, I remember this path, right, usually gets bogged with leaves.
A few moments later.
We just finished filming for the Motorola. Gotta send this back tomorrow now. All done. Hannah helped me. Cheers, Han. So the video for that will be up on Tech Maestro in the coming week. That's what we're doing. We was gonna go for a coffee or like a drink, but
neither of us brought money.
They didn't bring money with us. And yeah, we in my like little village or town, they kind of don't do contactless as like widespread as like Cardiff, so we can't even pay with our phones before you say that in the comments. This evening we are going to fireworks tonight. It's Bonfire Night today, so we're gonna go and see some fireworks later on, which should be fun. Work tomorrow, but we've had a 3-day weekend, which has been really good. Both got new phones, and we've both slept a lot.
Yeah.
To sum up the weekend, I think that's what's happened. We got new phones. Ironically, we didn't sleep a lot, but we have slept a lot. So it's like, it's weird. Oh God, there's a helicopter above us. God, I should be in a film. I'm keeping up with this. Whee! Come on, son!
What the hell is happening?
That is not something you see every day. Well, there we are, it's not something you see every day. Helicopter circling you. And I did, like literally, we said it was circling us, and it did. It obviously circled us to go down. I just land very differently on GTA when I'm driving a helicopter. I don't circle and land, I just go boosh, straight down. Literally.
You might take that as a tip now, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I might have to go round in circles before I land. Yeah, walking back now, walking back to mine after a good shoot. And it was a good shoot. We should do this more often now. Come out, shoot some videos. You could cook outside for your channel in the summer potentially. But yeah, it's good. So back home now, Hannah is actually out doing her driving lesson, and yeah, I'm just in my room, tidying up, getting ready for tonight. Like I said, we're going to a bonfire night, like firework display and stuff, and then we're gonna be going to Hannah's this evening. So I've got to try and get stuff sorted here before I go to Hannah's. Don't know if you guys remember, a few months back, I actually did, I don't remember, a few months back, maybe 2 months ago, I did a video explaining to you guys how to get Game of Thrones in the UK if you haven't got Sky. And in that video, I actually bought myself a Now TV, one of these little things. They're like basically like Apple TVs, but they're a lot smaller in the UK. Now what you get on these is like YouTube, Netflix, stuff like that. And what I said in that video was that once I'm done with this, once Game of Thrones is over, I'm going to be giving this away, because I only bought this because it was like cheaper to buy this to get the free pass than just buying the pass. You basically get this box like for free. And I thought, I've got a smart TV, I've got like an Apple TV, I don't really need this to play YouTube and stuff like that, so I'm going to give it away to you guys. So yeah, expect that very soon. I'm going to be doing a giveaway video. I might just have a day off vlogging one day and just do a video doing a giveaway, and yeah, coming soon. So if you want to win this, stay tuned and like down below. Yo, it's bonfire night. Literally, you can already hear the bonfire, the fireworks going off. 3 of us are in the car. You all ready, girls? Yeah, so it's freezing there. What's the temperature guess? Who wants to guess the temperature? I say 4. I was gonna say, oh, okay, you go for that. 10 degrees Celsius, how many degrees?
Yeah.
I'll say 5 then. It is 5. Oh. Come on, I beat ya. Right, we might as well sit here for a bit and leave the thing demused. So yeah, plan tonight, we're going to a rugby club, which is doing like a firework display and stuff. Obviously bonfire tonight. So we're taking Chloe. Yeah, these two are so antisocial, like on your phone. Hannah, literally the last 2 days, right? It's like talking to a brick wall. You right, Han?
Yeah, you're right.
Doesn't even answer me, like she's just so into her phone. Funny. Lewis is in bed, like. Oh, that was cool. We stay here for 10 minutes if you want. Yeah. I'm gonna go anywhere, we can just stay here. You're rolling, guys, made it. It's cold, isn't it? Well, it is cold. Whew. Got my hoodie on. You're cold. Hannah's wearing my coat because she left hers. Chloe's wearing her new one.
Well.
ASOS.
No.
ASOS. Urban Outfitters. Yeah. Told me that. Freezing. It's like I said, 5 degrees. You can do the fireworks now though, can't you?
Well, then we started to play for them.
And the moon is mental. You can see the white dot over there. So we got a bit of a walk now, about 5-10 minutes. And then back up. We might have to come back up early though, Chloe, like you said, because all this later is going to be rammed with cars trying to get out, and we're parked right down the end. So obviously later on, for us to get out, it could be mental. So it might actually pay for us to get out a little bit earlier so we can not be in the traffic, obviously. So yeah. Here they go. Woo! Show everyone, Han, the biggest olives that you ever got. Chloe, shine your light on you. Look at Hannah's big olives. What's that?
It's a good boomerang, isn't it?
Good boomerang, Chloe. Everyone follow Chloe on Instagram.
The fireworks in Disney.
Yeah.
It's like one on one side of the castle, one on the music floor, and then it just...
Look at reaction then. You kind of jumped a little bit. Oh, that was so bad. I thought that would be a big one then.
It's like when someone says to you, I need to fart, I need to fart, I need to fart.
That was brilliant. Go on! Oh wow. Really good, isn't it? There we go then, that was all, that was good. Did you enjoy that, Chloe?
Yeah, it was good.
That was really good. Hannah's like shocked that was a rugby club. It was really good, really good.
Rugby club.
Exactly, yeah. But yeah, we're running, well, we're like in front now, we're running up to the car obviously, like I said earlier, with the car park situation.
At the front of the queue.
Exactly.
We didn't pay. Did we use that money on like?
Yeah.
Food
Well, they
finance
wanted like
and you had
it's
drinks?
£4 an adult and £3 a child, Zoe.
Yeah.
So it would have cost us like 11 quid, but we just went in and I think we spent like 6 quid on like olives and 2 drinks. So yeah, I'd rather have refreshments than pay for nothing. Well, pay to just see what we saw. But either way, I was very impressed and I would probably consider that next year.